If you're new to the channel, man, hit that sub button, turn on Liddy Noti Gang, we on top. Alright, so if you want to know what Liddy Noti Gang is, Liddy Noti Gang, they share the video on Twitter or Instagram and they at me, and you know what I'm saying, they show me some love. Alright, so let's get straight into this video, man. Me and my boy Breezy, we swapped accounts. So he's on my 99 Puresharp. I don't know how he plays on the Puresharp, and I'm on his Ruffle account. I went crazy on his Ruffle account. And then we also went to stage. So here's some stage gameplay. Let's get straight into this, man. Shout out to my editor. His link will be in the description. Go subscribe to my boy Breezy. His link will be in the description. And Kenny link will be in the description, man. Let's get straight into this video, man. I'm out. Gang.
I gotta do everything. Niggas a fake Ruffles winner, imagine. Niggas a fake Ruffles winner, imagine.
Nigga name is Baby Soul.
Yeah. Alright,
good shit.
Wait.
Oh, bro, I think you going right, bro. Fuck.
I gotta shoot that shit.
Bro, I'm a fucking horse, my nigga. Fuck wrong with these niggas, bro? Give me that shit, chat. Shit. Nigga don't know how to glitch.
Send me over.
Niggas.
All the way.
Come on, give me that, bro. Don't worry, bro. I got you.
Get post score.
Oh, yeah, you right.
Yeah.
He solo.
I'm out.
I know, take twos, easy twos. We don't gotta do all that extra shit, bro. But I could tell he a fake Ruffles winner. Hey, he selling a bag. That's it. What is he doing? Bum ass nigga? Oh, he just sold. Bum ass nigga. I got you, bro. My bad. Fuck.
Hold on, I'm glitching. You got me. Aw.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Fuck, you got
Give me that.
Good pass.
Man, I'm a fucking horse. Give me that shit, bitch. Yeah. You got me, though. Green up then. Oh my god. Fuck y'all, if you in the stream. Give me that, boy. I'm a run protector, bro. I'm a run protector, bro. Oh my ass nigga. Look at that big body. Ah, got him. Good glitch. Shit. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna try that jumper. If we get a chance. Oh, fuck.
After 10 games ago.
Shout out to 10 that's in the stream, man. Let's fucking get it, man.
Good done, bro.
For your boy.
My bad. I was looking at you.
Crazy, bro. Like, fuck.
Throw that. Aww. Nah.
Fuck, bro. I'm gonna try idiot that jump shot.
I green with 1-1. Emoji woman shrugging with medium dark skin tone.
That nigga hitting shots, bro. Can't let him open them.
what?
Niggas a slice and post score. Fuck. Come on.
Bruh.
Why
You ain't
can't you can't even do overdose anymore, bro? Like,
Bro, they passed that shit, bro. Oh, I'm done leaving my man open. That's you, come on. Hit that. Good shot.
yeah, let the twos.
Yeah, you finna get baited. You finna get baited. Look at that. Look at that. Oh.
You niggas is dead.
Let's go. Oh, the game is close?
Send me all balls. Oh, that's it.
I got you, my nigga. Huh? Good shot, boy. 5-game winning streak. Let's get it. G to the boys.
Oh, game starting. Reason.
Going up getting shot. I'm paying nothing. Shut up.
It was good paying.
5K. God.
I saw the game is starting.
Sharpshooter defender. Making a Puresharp next year. 6'8".
Yeah, Breezy, game's on.
I got a whole lock on my dude.
You gotta stretch. Shot creator stretch.
Bro, I thought he was gonna glitch your ass.
Yeah, give it to Kenny so Kenny can bait me. Give it. They putting a lockdown on you.
Okay.
You got me?
Oh my god. Come on.
Bruh.
Fuck.
I'm a fucking horse.
Let's
Nigga.
go.
Fuck you talking about? Let's fucking go. Let's go. Oh, man. They gonna be ice on the whole game? You find a... He green that?
Yeah.
Yeah, lockers on his dick, dog.
Yeah. Nah, we could just L2 cheese that bitch. Go, Kenny. Give it to Kenny. Give it to Kenny. Oh damn. Go.
It's not my fault. My nigga can't dunk.
Don't help me. Don't help me. Don't help me.
Yeah. I.
You got bored if I missed.
I gotta do something.
Phone?
Yeah, I'm dead. That should've been a steal, dog. Fuck. No, he wants to do that. I gotta come to the ball. He's thirsty. You gonna lose. You gonna lose the ball.
All the way.
Yeah, they can have that shit, man. Fuck it. Do or die, chat.
Look at that. I got my hands up and everything, bro.
What?
How the fuck this nigga breaking ankle? Yo, send me a screen.
Shot, man. Let's go, man. Damn.
I wasn't even that, bro. Not even.
Nigga's a shot creator slasher? What is he? Yeah, he's a shot creator slasher. Oh, that's a 3.
Go on a block, Kenny. Go on a block. You got Kenny. Kenny cut. Kenny cut. You got me? Oh, fuck.
Damn, throwing scaries. He open.
Yeah, I know. Yep. That's.
Come on, just give it to me. Damn.
All it takes is one stop, bro.
You get a stop, we good, my nigga. Oh my god.
That's all we do.
Oh my god!
What is this? Oh, okay.
You got me. Fuck. Go up.
Man.
Alright, go ahead.
Shot ain't trying to give us no 3.
You said no.
My, bro.
So, oh, bro, they would have had
that's
18. They would have had 18, bro.
Yeah. Nigga, fuck that, bro. We need a break. Fuck.
Yo. Go up.
Oh, man. Stop it, bro.
I don't even care. Oh, he sold.
Come to the ball. Gotta depend on you hitting your shots. Fuck.
You got me? Green. Yo, no 3.
No 3, no ball watch, no ball watch.
I gotta take
Look
over.
back.
Play sides.
Oh.
I'm
playing sides. Yeah. Yep.
I'm here. Stay on yours. Yo, corner. Jump.
That's all. Rebound. Let's go.
Yeah, I gotta take over too. You don't have to dump me. You don't have to force it. We can get the 2. Go straight to. You got me. Game.
Let's go.
Yo.
Oh man.